Hello kids! Welcome to math class again. Today, we will be having our new lesson and we will be talking about multiplication. Do you know what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. So meaning to say, we add numbers over and over again. In multiplication, the numbers to be multiplied are called factors. And the answer in multiplications is called product. Example, we have 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 2 are called factors, and 6 is the product. When writing a multiplication sentence, we use number of sets times number of objects in the set is equal to the total number of objects. While when showing a multiplication sentence using the number line, we use number of jumps times number of units in each jump is equal to the product. Now, I want you to watch and listen carefully for you to understand the lesson. Here are some examples. Now, let's try this example. As you can see, we have 4 boxes. In each box have 3 balls. So the question is, how many boxes of balls are there? So we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 boxes. Next, how many balls are there in each box? Let's count, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 balls in each box. Number 3. How many balls are there in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 balls. Now, what is the addition sentence? So we write this as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. We write 4 3's because there are 4 boxes. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. So now, what is the multiplication sentence? So we write this as 4, since there are 4 boxes, times 3. 3 in each boxes. So therefore, the answer is 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So the product is 12. Here we have 2 rows of lollipops, and each row has 3 lollipops. On the first row, we have 1, 2, 3 lollipops. And on the second row, we have another 3 lollipops. So if we combine all together, we have 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now, 3 plus 3 is also the same as 2 times 3. It is written as 2 times 3 or 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. We have another example. We have 3 rows of cycles, and each row has 4 cycles. In the first row, we have 4 cycles, and in the second row, we have another 4 cycles, and in the third row, we have another 4 cycles. So therefore, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 cycles. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also the same as 3 times 4. Now, it can be written as 3 times 4 or 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Now, let's try this another example. We have 4 rows of apples, and each row has 5 apples, which means we're going to add 5 how many times? Yes, we're going to add 5 4 times. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. We can write this as 4 times 5 or 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. We can say that 4 5s are 20. Remember, we can only multiply when there are equal groups. Now, we are going to learn how multiplication can be carried out on a number line. So watch this video.
Now let's multiply 3 times 3. This arc has jumped from 0 to 3. This arc has jumped from 3 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 9. When 3 is multiplied by 3, the answer is 9. It's like adding 3 to itself 3 times. The arcs have jumped all the way from 0 to 9 in steps of 3 each. This is like saying 3 times 3 is equal to 9.
Wow! That makes it so easy.
Yes, let's try another one. Now let's multiply 5 times 2. This arc has jumped from 0 to 2. This arc has jumped from 2 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 6. This arc has jumped from 6 to 8. This arc has jumped from 8 to 10.
Well, it's very simple. 2 has been added to itself 5 times. So, 5 times 2 is equal to 10.
Well done, Amber. You are absolutely correct. This arc has jumped from 0 to 4. This arc has jumped from 4 to 8. Amber, what is the multiplication fact for this number line?
The 2 arcs have jumped from 0 to 8 in 2 steps of 4 each. So, 2 times 4 is equal to